G'day DIY pool legends. Just wanted to give you a bit of a spoiler alert that this isn't the full length version of this particular video. It's just a little bit of an introduction so you can see the type of information that we do provide, but the full length video is just for our customers. Hope you enjoy watching this short little sample. G'day DIY pool legends. Well, today we're going to be talking about fitting the skimmer box to your fiberglass pool shell. You're not going to need a lot of gear for this. You're going to need your silicone and you're going to need a screwdriver, preferably a second person to help. You can do it on your own. Two people makes it a little bit easier. First thing you're going to do is put a really good bead of silicone around the mouth of the skimmer box. So this is the piece that is going on the inside of your pool. And effectively, this is where the water is going to be coming in through the pool into your skimmer box. Now, you might be wondering where it really mattered the order that you put them in. And in terms of how tight you put them, if you're using a manual screwdriver, you're going to put it in until it goes tight, and then you're going to give it a quarter of a turn. You don't have to go all Hulk or Superman and tighten it and tighten it and tighten it. You'll end up cracking the plate, or you'll possibly put some damage onto the shell. So it's just not needed. Once you've gone all the way around and you've got all of the screws in, then because as you're tightening one side, it's going to pull a little bit on the other side, run around the entire throat of the skimmer box again and just double check. Last thing you're going to do is grab the cover plate. So you just put a bit of silicone on each of those little nipples there. You'll notice with the cover plate, there's a couple of notches on the top of one side. Good to put that facing down towards the wall. Well, there you have it. Just a little sample of the video that we provide. We know from our customers all over the country that these videos make a huge difference to putting the pool in and enjoying the process and getting a fantastic outcome with your DIY pool. The name of the game is you want to absolutely save thousands of dollars on your pool, but when someone comes over and has a look at your pool, they shouldn't be able to tell whether you put the pool in yourself, you used a local installer, or you went to a full service, full price pool builder. And that's what these videos and all of our supporting documentation is all about. If you'd like to learn more, you can get in touch with us through the website and talk to the team. We'd love to hear about your project and how we might be able to help.